Orlando Pirates star Lebohile Mofokeng has spoken candidly about his potential departure from the Soweto Giants, admitting that a switch abroad may be the next logical step in his career. The 21-year-old winger is widely tipped to leave Pirates sooner rather than later, with a string of overseas clubs monitoring his progress. Among those reportedly interested are Saudi Arabia's Al Ettifaq, Israeli giants Maccabi Haifa and Maccabi Tel Aviv, MLS outfit Minnesota United, and Russian side FC Akron. Mofokeng, who is part of Fuko Process Bafana Bafana setup, believes the right offer could fast-track his dream of playing outside South Africa. And said, I think if something becomes available for me, I can get a chance somewhere in another country. I think it will be a very good move. This tournament is very important in that regard. When I get a chance, I'll just have to grab it. Mofokeng's possible exit coincides with a busy transfer window across the league, led by champions Mamelodi Sundowns, who have once again flexed their financial power. The Brazilians recently secured a Colombian forward Brian Leon for a reported 57 million rand, a deal that could ripple through the market and force rivals to rethink their own squad decisions. For Pirates, this may include whether to retain striker Tahofa Mabasa, who continues to be linked with a move away despite leading the line last season. Some supporters believe Sundowns, armed with cash and dominant ambition, could even join the race for Mofokeng should he opt to remain in the PSL. Although the highly rated winger has yet to score in 9 league appearances this season, his age, flair, and ceiling make him a prime candidate for a big money move. The Buccaneers have already moved to strengthen their attacking options with the signing of Andre de Jong from Stellenbosch FC. The New Zealander is most comfortable operating as number 10, a role that could trigger fierce competition for minutes and potentially motivate French players to seek opportunities elsewhere. As speculation intensifies, one thing is clear: Relly Mofokeng stands at a pivotal crossroads. Stay local, embrace a new domestic challenge, or take the leap onto the global stage. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.